Well, economic bellwether FedEx is saying the future is too fuzzy to predict. No visibility. Its stock is falling right now as the company gives a disappointing forecast. Markets editor Andy Cinco with more on this. Andy.
Betty, it is a lot of words using, try this again. FedEx is using a lot of words like tough and difficult. They are certainly not using words like optimism and green shoots and strong recovery because, Betty, as you mentioned at the top here, they do not see that. The company, for example, just on the conference call a minute ago said they face, quote, the most difficult economic conditions ever. That does not sound like a recovery is right on our doorstep. Also, Betty, look at the quote that they came out of the press release. This is from the CFO saying that they, quote, do not have enough visibility into the economic recovery nor jet fuel prices in order to give a full year forecast. And so the company is talking about this fiscal quarter, fiscal 1Q, being, quote, very difficult. Take a look at their forecast, which is what's sinking the stock this morning. They see a profit of 30 to 45 cents a share, well below the 70 cents Wall Street was looking for. They say manufacturing is way down and that jet fuel prices are way up. That's a toxic mix for this company. Could also be a problem for UPS, which is due to report in July. Let's take a look at the stock in the pre-market because we told you earlier about options yesterday were actively traded at $50. The stock this morning is below $50. Those options are now in the money. So options that traded just last week for about 25 cents on the 25 cents, probably trading at well over $1 this morning because of those bearish bets that were made. Last but not least, we might as well tell you what they reported for the fourth quarter. Here, the news was seemingly better. Fiscal fourth quarter profit was 64 cents versus an estimate of 51 cents. However, revenue was disappointing, $7.9 billion in round numbers, missing the estimate of $8.4 billion. Betty, I'll throw it back on over to you.
Okay, Andy, thanks so much. Andy Cinco on the results of FedEx. Difficult conditions still ahead.